So in this space, we will be ripping out this bath. Our children don't really use the bath at the moment, and putting in a shower. We're still working through the final placement of things. It's going to be a lot of tiles, and then there'll be paint where there's not tiles. And that's one of the areas where we'll definitely lean on the Resene experts around what sort of paint is best suited for a wet area like a bathroom. We'll also be ripping up and replacing these tiles here with some nice new tiles. So there's a lot of improvement to be had in here, but it's going to look really nice after it's done. We've got a bathroom that we need to paint. Is there any sort of specific paint we need to be using for a wet area?
Yeah, absolutely. You need to be using our Waterborne Enamel series. So we've got a kitchen and bathroom range that has an extra mold inhibitor in it to help protect against those high moisture rooms. So we've got your Lustracryl. So that one there is your semi-gloss. So this is typically for more your trims. So then that leads us more to your SpaceCote low sheen. So this is what majority of people prefer to use. It's a low sheen finish. It's still got that durability of having that slight sheen to ease a clean for those high moisture rooms. And then you've got your SpaceCote flat. So with your flat, this is more for your ceilings. I would recommend going for your SpaceCote low sheen because you've already got low sheen throughout the rest of the house.
So what we've done is we've actually switched the toilet around. You used to walk in and go, wow, there's a toilet right in my face. Put in this beautiful vanity, and also built this little nib wall as part of this new shower, and that hides the toilet further. And then just done a bunch of tiling, and we're ready for paint. So we've added these panels. It's just a nice, different sort of feature that we can bring into the space, and it also gives us a chance to use, a different color as well. So good, check it out.
So Blair's painted the wrong color on the bottom of the wall. They're supposed to look like panels that go halfway down the wall to the ground.
Come on.
I'm calling it miscommunication.
The paint trust doesn't go on.
So the plan is to paint the panels and to go all the way down to the walls. I'm painting them in a colour called Resene Half Bison Hide, and it's just a little bit darker than what we've done on the wall and really ties in with the tiles.
Put yourself to work?
No, I'm supervising.
Is this how it was intended?
Yeah.
It's code number 2. 2 years ago, I wouldn't have done anything like this. And the more that you do, the more confidence it gives you to do more, right? So yeah, I do enjoy how much I've learned and how much we've kind of achieved through this process. It's hard work, but it's rewarding work.
This is our main family bathroom finished.
A couple of hurdles on the day, but we got the colours right in the end. Well, you got the colours right and I put them on right in the end.
You did a good job.
It was blue tiles and there were a few cracks in those tiles, so we had to quickly change the plan. Out came the shower bath, and then went this shower with this nib wall which hides the toilet. Beautiful Resene colours, just really tied so nicely.
Yeah. We've done Resene 8 Bison Hide and then Resene Half Bison Hide. They perfect the walls somehow, even though the walls are not perfect. It's amazing what a lick of paint can do. Yeah. Ties in with the concrete, it ties in with the tiles, it ties in with the vanity. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh dear me.
Yeah.